Are you ready to love where you live?
Spending more time at home these days?
Wait until you see all the possibilities this amazing home has to offer. A home for your horses. Chickens too.
But look at this backyard.
And wait until you see the inside. Let's go take a look. It's rural, there's a network of horse trails and equestrian estates. It's absolutely phenomenal here.
You're walking down the street and the horses are walking right by your side.
Every room in this California Cape Cod is spectacular.
If you'd like to know more, we would love to hear from you because we want you to love where you live.
Debbie Lucas.
And Debbie Valentine.
Until next time.